why I think that the Mudskipper Prime kit, 5 to 7 horsepower, is the best kit from Mudskipper in that horsepower range. The Prime kit has an adjustable engine mount where you can adjust it back and forward if you you want to adjust your engine weight back or forward. One hole here, one hole here. It's actually adjusted just perfectly. There's also, you can put your tiller handle on both sides. Put it on this side, or you can put it on that side. There's also like a true traditional tie longtail, like from SPS Mud Runner. And this is the kit you want. It's got PTO, tractor PTO attached directly to the crank. The Prime kit, it's robust, it's inexpensive, $369 for the kit, and the engine is $199. That's with the electric start, the charging feature, and that's very important. I've done a couple of easy modifications to give it to a stage 1 kit, just open it up. But this engine is really nice, guys. It's a Honda GX200 clone, 7 horsepower stock. I have it to 8 or 9 horsepower now. You cannot go wrong with the Mudskipper 5 to 7 horsepower Prime kit. Do not forget that the Prime kit is what you want. Easy to assemble, takes a couple hours, and you're ready to rock and roll, guys. Need any tips or tricks? Just go ahead and send me a message, and I'm sure you know what I've done so far. Performance air filter, new jet to give it more fuel, emulsion tube to give it more fuel. I have a Robertson's torque tube to open it up, and yeah, it's really helped a lot. I haven't had any problems with this kit whatsoever. Robust, reliable, capable, inexpensive. The guys at Mudskipper are great. I'm not dogging on SPS or Beaver Dam because those two companies are excellent too. I'll tell you what, guys. But you will not find a better kit for this price and with this much durability. So go ahead and check them out, mudskipper.com, and just check all of them out, guys. These mud motors are amazing. Longtail surface drives, American longtails, which is just a little shorter longtail. Typically 65 inches is an American longtail. These are 85 inches to 110, 120. I like to have the traditional tie longtail. It's a little better for what I'm suited for. I like my prop to ride right in my wake. So anyway, Mudskipper Prime kit, 5 to 7 horsepower, $369. You cannot go wrong, guys. This is the kit to get. Don't forget it. Prime kit, mudskipper.com. All right, bye.